Tai Chi is a gentle, effective form of moving meditation that combines breathing and working in movements to create more balance and facilitate the accumulation of energy. Tai Chi in simple terms means life force, or in Ayurveda it's also called as prana, the energy within. I'm gonna demonstrate a few simple Tai Chi movements that you can do on an everyday basis to cultivate Chi, life force energy from within. Very important thing is not to forget to smile while you're learning Chi circles. Doing this not only helps you embrace Tai Chi, it puts you in charge of your own happiness rather than waiting around for the world to do it for you. Some important things to keep in mind while doing Tai Chi. Number one, wear natural and comfortable clothing. Loose clothes made of organic cotton or silk are best. You don't necessarily need to wear a Tai Chi uniform to do it like me. Keep your practice simple and fun. Don't so much be obsessed about the correct form and technique. Focus on relaxation. The intention should be to heal ourselves. Practice daily and consistently. Find several practice spots, one inside and one in nature. Experiment with doing your practice at different times of the day or night. Feel free to modify and combine practices and make up your own routines. Look for opportunities to practice with others as well. Stay within your comfort zone. A word of caution: if a practice causes discomfort, you have two options. First, modify the practice either by proceeding more gently or by doing it sitting or even lying down. Second, avoid the practice that cause discomfort. Just continue with other methods that have worked for you. Always attempt to practice in a location that has the best exposure to natural resources, which has the best Chi, which is the life force. Whenever possible, this should be a natural setting which gives you an advantage because the Chi is automatically richer and fresher. For example, outside when the air moves, winds, you are easily able to breathe faster and deeper, right? Which circulates your Chi naturally. So that's the best setting for you to do Tai Chi. But that should not be an excuse as well. If you're not able to do Tai Chi outside, you can do it inside or anywhere. All you need is just 50 square feet block and you can perform various movements. Tai Chi has many benefits. There are a lot of researches around it showing improvement in bone health, osteoporosis, in muscle development, muscle toning, balancing, coordination. Even in people with older population or older age, they have a lot of benefits in terms of balancing, coordination, improving their bone density, relaxing yourself, adapting to your stress levels, doing day-to-day movements, day-to-day tasks mindfully, intentionally. In a simple words, it's meditation with movement. Great. So I'm looking forward to help you do Tai Chi, and just remember these key points which I have already described to you. Important thing is to enjoy, have fun, and keep the smile on your face. See you on the other side. These are the exercises I'll be describing you. You can do it on everyday basis. You can do 1, 2, any of them. Important thing is to cultivate Chi and circulate Chi, so that cultivating is not enough, but circulating it together in the body is really important to have a good life force and Chi energy flow. Enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed the session. Important thing to remember is you can do it anywhere, anytime, before eating, after eating. That's the fantastic thing about Tai Chi is, right? So there's a saying in Chinese medicine, if you can do Tai Chi exercises after your food, that will simply signify that you have not overeaten your food, right? If you cannot do even as simple as Tai Chi exercise after food, that will indicate that you have eat to an extent where you are not able to digest effectively. So yeah, that was all. Important thing is to not to do in as sequence as I have done. You can do in any sequence. You can pick any of the exercises which I have shown from you in the video. Whatever you're comfortable with is, right? That's very important to understand. And don't be so don't think about it that you need to do it in a proper sequence or in a proper form and technique, right? If you do that, you'll defeat the purpose of Tai Chi, because for the Tai Chi, the intention is to heal. You need to put your intention to cultivate your life force energy, which is Chi, right? If you be in your head while doing Tai Chi exercises, you'll not be able to gain benefits from it. Thank you. Take care and heal effectively.